Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how you guys can fix the Xbox error code can't sign into your Xbox account. And let's get started. So the first thing I recommend you guys doing is actually going to click on the Xbox logo on your controller, heading over to Profile and Systems, and from here I recommend you guys signing out. Once you do that, you can try to sign in this way. If that does not fix the issue, the second method I recommend you guys doing is heading over to Settings. From Settings, going over to Accounts, and then from Accounts, I recommend going all the way down to Remove Accounts. Now from Remove Accounts, pretty simple and straightforward. Just remove your account and then sign or add your account back in and check to see if that fixes the issue. And the final method I recommend you guys doing is, once you do all of this, simply just turn off your console. So either restart it or turn it off. Another thing you guys can do is you can always restart your Wi-Fi router, and you can do that by just unplugging all the wires out of the router and simply just replugging them after waiting 1 to 2 minutes. And I recommend that once you do that, make sure either your console is already turned off, or if it was on, just turn it off and then turn it back on, and then once you reconnect your network, you'll be good to go. And yeah, that is it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.